Hi everyone, welcome all to the ltcoders YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to create and read jar file with using command line interface and other IDEs. So firstly let's see how to create jar file with using command line interface. So I previously created home.jar file. Mm, yeah, this is the inside of the home.java file. It's include simple hello world. So now I am run this Java file. Firstly, I compile it. So I type java c home.java. Then it's create the home.class file. Then I type java home. Now we can see hello world output. So now let's see how to create jar file. So I firstly clear the screen. Now I type jar create verbose and file. Then type our jar file name. In this case I'm type my home.jar. Then type the directory name. In this case I am using this directory, so I'm type dot. Now enter. Yeah, we can see it's created jar file. So I'm open with WinRAR. Yeah, we can see that all files include this jar file, and also its meta inif folder. Actually these files include manifest version 1.0, and it's created by, this is the my Java JDK version, and it's amazon.com in actually this is the open JDK 11. It's include this data also. Yeah, this is the my home jar file. And actually there is a very simple method to create this jar. So let's see what is the other command to create this jar file. So in this case I am type jar cvf, then jar file name. In this case I'm type my home dot jar, and then what is the directory. I'm using this directory. So yeah, in this case we can also create a sorry, empty home. I type that empty home, and oh sorry, uh, this open with WinRAR. We can see previously like these files. Yeah, actually this is CVF. It is the shortest form of previous command. This is create mean C, verbose mean V, and files shortest form is F. Yeah. Uh, this method is very easily with comparing our previous method. So let's see how to read this jar file. In this case, my jar file name is empty home. So my jar file is located in E drive and then ltcoders folder. So I want to type Java, then class path. This CP means class path, and this dot mean in this directory. This is the current directory, and yeah, then type your jar file location. In my case, I am ltcoders, then jar file name empty home dot jar. Then what is the class file name in read? That is the home. Yeah, we can see the hello world output. um, Actually, there is also several methods to read this file. I'm using my this CP. We can type class path with several method, several ways. Yeah, another way is, yeah, you can see CP and class path. There are three ways to read that hello home Java file. Okay, now I am using IntelliJ IDE. Yeah, this is the simple Java project. Also, hello world. Yeah, we can see the output of hello world. Now let's see how to create Java file with using IntelliJ. Firstly, I'm go to the file, then project structure, then I'm go to artifact, then jar from modulus with dependencies, then I choose main target jar, copy to the output directory and link. Yeah, this, then okay, then apply, then okay. Now then I'm choose build and build artifact. Yeah, then action is build, and we can see it's the building. Yeah, then we can see out folder, then it has IntelliJ.jar file, and also we can see in the file explorer. This is the our IntelliJ jar file. It's ltcoders IntelliJ out artifact IntelliJ jar. Then we can see how to read this jar file. Let's I right click and then run IntelliJ.jar file. Yeah, we can see hello world. Okay. Now let's see how to use in Eclipse to create jar file. Yeah, this is the simple home class file. Firstly, I go to file, then select export, then I select Java, then press jar file, and I choose my Java project. In this case it's a home, and I choose these files also. Export generated class file and resources, export all output folders and checked project, export Java source file and resources. So I check uh, generated class files and export Java source file and resources. Actually you can choose you want, then I select what is the location for the Java file. Java file is the Eclipse. Then I type my Java file name. It is the myHome.jar. Then press save. Then create finish. Yeah. Then we can see my home.jar file. Yeah. Thank you very much uh, for all, and if you learn something new, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.